sport system is a web-based application that aims to create a system that will help the staff and students of universities and Islam Malaysia to book the sports equipment and the course. This system will be handled by the staff of the sports center as the admin to manage the booking in the system. To use the system, the customer, which is a Usim students or staff, need to be at the counter so the admin can brief and explain to the customer about the availability of equipment and course provided at Complex Sukan Tunku Nadhirah Usim. The main reason why we create this system is because the customer need to fill in the paper-based form to book and must wait for several days to get the result or validation from the manager. Besides that, the staff also need to keep track of all the record manually in the reservation books to make sure the schedule will not redundant with other reservation. Therefore, to solve the problem, an online spot booking system is the right practice. It is simplifying the process for application to saving time and more user-friendly. Before we move to the detail of this system, there are 4 interfaces of the system.
Now, I will explain about the flow and the function of our system. First is login page. This page was designed to prevent unauthorized access to the system. Only people who know the username and password can access to the system. But if they entered the wrong username and password, the invalid login details error will show up. When the users of the system fill in the correct username and password and then click the login button, it will directly bring them to the homepage. Homepage was created to make it easier for the admin to view the upcoming events, available facilities at the sports center, and also contact numbers. Now, I'm going to explain the functions of each part in this page. Firstly is upcoming events, as it displays the date of sports event in Usim like Super Tournament, Football and Netball Tournament, Interfaculty Championship, and etc. The section is intended to remind the sports center staff about the events that will be held in Usim in the future. Next is the facilities slideshow. This part will show the facilities that are available in Usim Sports Center like tennis court, badminton court, netball court, chessboard, and netball. It will ease the staff in charge to tell and inform the customers about the facilities provided before make the booking. And lastly is the contact box. In this contact box, it provides the contact number for technical support like supplier and cleaning services, and also emergency contact numbers like nearest hospital, fire and rescue station, and police station. So that if there is any emergency happens in the sports center, the staffs can refer to this page without hesitation. If we look on the top of the pages, there is a navigation bar. The admin can simply click to the link in the navigation bar to go to any page that they want. So now, let's go to the next page, which is booking form. This is the main function of this system, where we can book the facilities available in Complex Sukan Tunku Nadhirah Usim. The staff in charge will ask the customers about the details and the facilities that they want to book. And then, the admin will fill in the form according to the customer's detail and desire. Once completed, the admin must click the Save button in order to save the booking to the database. If the customer wants to book the cards only, the admin can just fill in the card field and set the equipment field to none and the quantity to 0. Or, if the customer want to book the equipment only, the admin can just ignore the course field and fill in the equipment field. The last page that I want to explain is about booking detail page. All of the booking will be recorded in the booking details page. In this page, there will be a table that contains the list of booking that have been made and have been filled in the booking form before. In this table, there will be a return button for the admin to update if the customer have returned or finished using the facilities. There are also actions column which contains delete button, which will be helped if the customer want to cancel the booking. If the admin want to log out, he or she can just simply click on the Usim Spot logo and the admin will automatically log out.
To operate this Usim Spot system efficiently, the staff need to have Windows 10 and higher, and also they need to use Wi-Fi as a connection to the system. This web page in this system were created by using PHP, HTML and CSS language. Usim Sport system will encourage people, especially Usim citizens, to practice a healthy lifestyle by playing sport. And as we know that by playing sport, we can ensure a healthy body and good mind. As it is stated in Arabic proverb, healthy minds create a healthy body. Besides, knowledge management can be practiced during sport activities such as training sport with the expert, learn new sport or share some sport skill with friends. Therefore, the online booking system will encourage them to involve in sport activities and practice KM concept. And sport also enable a proper education and opportunities to all staff members to make them able to complete their work more efficiently and effectively.